tell me your name?
Anil Kumar, madam.
How old are you?
हाँ जी मैडम.
How old
Hello.
are you?
Anil Kumar.
Your age. Which is your age?
40 years.
Okay. Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
What are your studies? How many classes did you pass at school?
10th year.
And what is your working experience until now?
15 years, madam.
Of what? What work did
Yes.
you do?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of work experience do you have?
Experience 10th years का. 10th years, madam.
As what job? What job?
प्राइवेट या इंडिया ही कर रहे हैं जो.
Can you repeat?
प्राइवेट जॉब है मैडम. इन इंडिया. Hello.
Yes, I did not understand what kind of experience do you have? What job?
10th year से मैडम.
10 years of what?
Yes, ma'am.
What was your last job?
लास्ट जॉब इधर किया था ये अपना चंडीगढ़ में. ये चंडीगढ़ मैम. इंडिया.
No,
Hello.
I don't understand what was your last job, the name of the job.
प्लम्बिंग का मैम जॉब किया था इधर मैं.
So plumb.
इंडिया में चंडीगढ़ में.
And how long did you work as plumber?
प्लम्बिंग जाने.
Describe me a day of work as plumber. What did you have to do at your...
प्लम्बिंग का फिटिंग किया मैडम जी सर. वाटर फिटिंग, सीट फिटिंग, गैस फिटिंग.
What kind of tools did you use?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of tools did you use at your job?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have a working certificate, a qualification as plumber?
Yes, ma'am. 10th years का मैम. 10 years. 10 years. 10 years. 10 years, madam.
Yes, 10 years at school, but you have also a qualification as plumber.
हाँ जी.
Can you
हाँ जी
repeat?
मैम. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you know how to work with all kinds of installation with gas?
Gas geyser, pipe fitting,
You know
sewerage fitting,
water installation,
water. हाँ जी मैडम जी.
thermal installation,
Yes, ma'am.
and sanitary installation also?
हाँ जी मैडम. सैनिटरीज का भी.
Okay.
सेंट्री फिटिंग है.
How long would you like to stay in Romania if you are chosen? For how long do you want to work in Romania?
Yes, ma'am.
How many years would you like to work here?
40 years.
Okay. Are you medically fit? Do you have any medical problems?
No, madam.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.